Masayang buhay sa Kalampet, Maluloli. We're here at Makati Palace Hotel, celebrating our 40th anniversary of our company. Work hard, grind mode muna tayo mga master. So before we start our program, while waiting for Monsignor, dahil masayang lahat, everybody's taking pictures and videos. Kanya-kanyang aura, kanya-kanyang forma, iba't ibang cellphone. Siyempre, naging retratrista tayo, photographer, while busy sila doing their thing. So after ng mass, ang pinakahintay ng lahat, eat mode. Tara, let's go. Kain po. Rapsa. After ng dinner, CR mode, check mode bago sumabak sa intermission. At yun nga, may mga intermission, presentation, may kumanta, may sumayaw. Iwas lang muna sa CPR kaya naka-mute. Ito naman yung awarding ng mga employee, mga tumagal sa company. Isa tayo sa nakatanggap din ng 18 years loyalty award, Pink Service.
Good job!
Thereby enabling us to commemorate his 40th anniversary. Congratulations!
And another right?
Right.
Okay? May regalo na po ba lahat? Check. Okay. Left na isa. Left. Another left.
Sobrang thankful, grateful, and blessed kami nung araw na to. Happy 40th anniversary, FBI.